dahan-dahan lang sa gitna man ng daan.
Good day everyone, or as we say it in our language, magandang araw. Mabuhay my dear tourists. Please remember my name, I am Jonathan Pasa, or just call me Jonathan, and I will be your first guide today. And on behalf on our Pasa tour, I'd like to welcome you all in the community of City of Grains, the San Antonio, Calapan City. We're going to explore some of the most beautiful and unique places this community has to offer. To start up, let's have a head count for us to know if we are complete. Starting with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Great! We are complete! Thank you for cooperation. Before we proceed with our tour, I'd like to take a minute to tell friendly reminders and safety precautions so that our tour will be smooth, flowing, and hassle-free. First, we should stay together. For everyone's safety, please stay together as a group, and we'll be walking through some areas with traffic, so it is important to stick with our guide. Second, be mindful of your surroundings. We'll be visiting some vibrant, bustling areas. Please be aware of your surroundings, especially when crossing streets and navigating crowds. And the third is, be hydrated. It is important to stay hydrated, especially during the warming months. Please bring a water bottle and drink plenty of fluids. Fourth is, respect the community. We're the guests in this community, so let's show respect by being mindful of local customs and traditions. And then the fifth is, be aware of your belongings. Keep an eye on your personal belongings. It is always best to keep valuables secure. And the last one is, ask if you have questions. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask to the guide.
Mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama nang sinag sa iyong kutis na kayo manggiyos ang bako dinadala. Bawat ngiti biglang nabura, iyong naipinta. Hiwaga ng iyong tingin nang maalipin kahit saan man madala. Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paiikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan.
Sa bawat sandali.
Hello everyone, I'm Clarice, your guide to our destination in Lambingan Beach is a hidden gem in San Antonio, Calapan City. And also Lambingan Beach is a distant sand and calm and also a crystal clear water. We will give you a 15 minutes for free time to roam around that picture opportunity.
Sa bawat sandaling ikaw ay pinagmamasdan, may dumadapong kiliti na di maunawaan. Walang ibig, di mabangkit na sa aking isip, ikaw lang ang nagmamarka. Kahit mabitin aking salita, matay pinupunyag na, sa'yo lang magpapangkin, di palalampasin, huwag ka sanang kumawala.
Di mawawala.
Di pinapansin, ingay sa gabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ako'y paiikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan.
So hello everyone, I am Cristel and I'll be your next guide to reach our next destination. But before that, let's have a head count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are done. Thank you for your cooperation. And don't forget our safety reminder until we reach our next destination. So, we are done. Let's start. Let's go.
Welcome!
Good day everyone, I am Rain. Here we have the Dambana Nesos in San Antonio.
So now, we will give you 15 minutes free time to roam around and take a picture. Let's go.
Di man alam ang darating sa dulo, sa gitna ng dilim, sa liwanag mo nakatingin, sa'yo nakatingin, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di man alam ang darating sa dulo, sa gitna ng dilim, sa liwanag mo nakatingin, sa'yo nakatingin, sa'yo lang.
Hi!
Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paikot-ikuti ng dahan-dahan lang, sa gitna man ng daan. Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paikot-ikuti ng dahan-dahan lang, sa gitna man ng daan. Yung nakatingin, sa'yo lang ang tingin.
Hi my dear tourists, I'm Steven Inano who will guide you to reach destination. Okay, let's count. 1, 3, 4.
6, 7, 8.
Okay, so kompleto ko na kayo. Let's go.
Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paikot-ikuti ng dahan-dahan lang, sa gitna man ng daan. Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paikot-ikuti ng dahan-dahan lang, sa gitna man ng daan.
Good day everyone, I am Maybelline and I am your last guide to our last destination. Okay everyone, I can see that we are all set, so let's head to our last destination.
Mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama nang sinag sa iyong kutis na kayo manggiyos. Ang bako dinadala, bawat ngiti biglang nabura, iyong naipinta. Hiwaga ng iyong tingin ng naan.